welcome to Hernando Fit Kids Week. I hope you're enjoying your Christmas break. My name's Kelly Gormley and I'm the Secretary of the Community Health Improvement Plan Partnerships in Hernando County. And today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and simple dish called banana berry boat. You can have this for either breakfast, lunch, or even a dessert. But the first thing we need to do before we deal with any food is to wash our hands. So let's wash our hands and then we can continue the video. Okay, so now our hands are nice and clean. I'm going to go through the ingredients. So first of all, we have a banana, plain yogurt, a mixture of berries. I have blackberries, blueberries, strawberries and raspberries. Some topping for the banana berry boat. So I've chosen a handful of granola and a dish. Okay, so first of all, we need to peel your banana. Like so. Yep. Let's cut off at the end. That's okay. And then just cut a diagonal at each end. And then cut down the middle so you've got your sides of your boat. Like so. Okay. Then you add a couple of spoonfuls of your plain yogurt. Now I've chosen plain yogurt because that's the healthiest yogurt to have. Plain yogurt is full of calcium, which helps keep your bones and teeth strong, and also has B12, which keeps your body nerves and your blood cells healthy and stops you from being tired. So plain yogurt is the best yogurt to use. Okay, that's about 3 spoonfuls there. That will be fine. So now we've got to try and put the banana at the sides back up. Oh, look at that. Excellent. Now we need to add the berries. So I've chosen berries because they're my favourite fruit, and berries are packed full of fibre, which is good for your digestive system. But if you don't like berries, you can add your favourite fruits if you want to. So you don't have to have berries. You can have apple slices, you can have grapes, you can have apricots, whatever your favourite fruit is, you can add to your banana boat. And if you want some more information about what foods keep your body healthy, then you can go to choosemyplate.gov, which gives you all that information as well as some other recipe ideas. This looks so yummy, I can't wait to eat it. So I've got strawberries on there, I've got blueberries, I've got a raspberry on there. Let's add a blackberry as well. Yummy. Now to finish it off, I'm going to sprinkle some granola as my topping. But if you don't like granola, that's fine. Perhaps you can add some shavings of coconut shavings on your topping for banana boat. And just sprinkle it like so. Okay. And then I've also pre-made a flag for my boat with a straw and some paper. So that's also what you can do to add a little bit fun to this dish, is make your own sail and flag. I'm just going to stick that in the middle of my boat. And there's my banana berry boat.